Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will explain how to avoid common mistakes when creating a website cover and share design tips on how to marry text and images. A cover is the essence of a website, expressed in 3 to 5 words and supported by a photograph. The cover page is the first thing visitors see when they land on your website, and at this very stage, people make a decision whether to stay on the website and continue reading or close the tab. Therefore, your task is to make the first page as catchy and captivating as possible. The key principle of a cover design: text comes first, while imagery only supports it. The message is of major importance, while the background image sets the right mood. Try to choose an image that does not make the text difficult to read and perfectly matches the voice of your website. Also, there is no need to immediately show what you are offering on the cover. The image is just a background supporting the message. It should inspire visitors and help them dive into the topic. How to choose a cover image? Well, a perfect cover photo should be empty in the middle, without any details or items. The title on the first page is almost always located in the center. When the text covers important visual elements, no one will see them. Moreover, the text may not be readable. Place text on a clear, uncluttered area of the photo. For example, a landscape photo that features a desert or the sky, a tabletop with no objects in the middle, a green forest. It all depends on the theme of your website, the desired mood, and your imagination. The aim is to make text easily readable. If you place the text against the area with lots of elements, you'll make it harder to read. Therefore, make sure the size of the elements is in harmony with the font size. A cover photo is a background that creates a particular mood. It can either amplify your message or go unnoticed. All in all, the aim is to help the visitor read and quickly understand the text. If the text visually merges with the background and is almost unreadable, a visitor may simply skip it, scroll down and miss the important information. Work with simple shapes. The text and image should complement each other. For example, place your text on the empty wall. A uniform background won't compromise readability. When repeating elements in the picture form a pattern, it may seem that they fill the entire space, forming a homogeneous background. This is not exactly so. Look at all the tiny details that create visual noise and complicate the perception of the copy. It might be a good idea to darken the background image in this case. Place the text in the area with less important elements. When the main subject of a photo is located on the right side, the text should be placed on the left. It works as follows. A website visitor can clearly see a person's face, which is the most significant object in the picture. Other details are less important. If the person is in the center of the image, do not add text on top of the face. It's better to lower it closer to the body area. Generally speaking, a person's face is the most significant object in the photo. If the face is covered with text, website visitors won't feel comfortable, as they won't be able either to see the object in detail or read the message. The cover image makes the text harder to read. How to fix it? Darken the image with gradient filters. If the selected background image makes the copy hard or impossible to read, cover it with a filter. Higher filter opacity results in a darker background. Darkening makes the background look too gloomy. How to fix it? Darkening is not suitable for all pictures. Bright images might get pale or dingy due to the black gradient. The atmosphere of sorrow may be created. Choose darker photos to avoid this effect. Another way to add mood to the website is toning. Opt for color filters instead of the standard black. Use the official brand colors for the gradient, or choose a color from the website color scheme. Alternatively, pick a shade that matches the color palette of the image. Adding colors. You can color not only the background but also the text. Moreover, you can combine background toning and text color at the same time. You should be very careful, though, to avoid the garish and flashy look of your website. For example, you can apply the yellow gradient to the background and add bright blue text. Or cover the entire image with an acid green filter and overlay orange text on it. It looks bright and cheerful, so it might be a good option for a conference or a startup website. Cover design ideas for inspiration. You can make white covers, they usually look nice. If you have a high-key photo with bright lighting that features a captivating object, combine it with dark or colored text. There is no universal method to select imagery. If you come across a suitable photo, try to visualize it on the cover. how it will be cropped, where the text can be placed, what parts of the image will be covered, whether visual elements affect readability, can a gradient help? This is another filter that helps you choose photos. I also check if the cover looks natural on the page. It should be consistent with other images and the overall layout. Therefore, it is better to select all the photos for the website at once. Covers showing nothing except for one object look intriguing. It's also much easier to marry text with such images. Imagine that you ordered a professional photo shoot, and the objects are located on a neutral background, a sound system or a car against a white or gray background. This makes combining text and images a piece of cake. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.